Hi! In front of me is CAT S75 and today I would like to show you how you can manage all vibration settings available on this device. You need to begin by opening Settings. In them, scroll down just a bit and tap on Sound. Now scroll all the way down and tap on Vibrate for calls. Then apply the best option for your incoming calls by clicking on it. Never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first, then ring gradually. In my case, never vibrate. When you finished, go back. Click on Shortcut to prevent ringing and enable it thanks to this switcher. Then you can set up Vibrate by clicking on it. Go back. And last but not least, click on those two switchers next to Charging Sounds and Vibration and Start Vibration to switch them on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!